one. Going on searching for that. Where I kept. Array.
What are you searching?
Array Baba, you want breakfast, right? I'll come and serve you. I'm searching one important thing here. My friend Aparna is there, no? She's going out. She asked me something and that's why I'm searching for that. Where I kept, I forgot that one. Array, where it is? Array, no Baba, she didn't ask me jewelry. What is the situation right now? Will she go for functions? She's going to get medicine. Array, she didn't ask me money even. More than that, I'm searching, going on searching for that. Aparna, just 1 minute, I'll search and give you, okay? Where it is? Yeah, got it. Aparna, finally I got it. Baba, I'm searching for this mask only. This is more than jewelry. This is more than money. Nowadays, how the situations are. Without this mask, we can't imagine even. Aparna, finally I got the mask. You go out and come safely, but you are going out. You have to maintain social distance and physical distance. You have to take care of yourself. Wear the mask and maintain the distance. Okay, take it. Wait, Aparna. Whenever we are taking things from others, we have to apply sanitizer and check the things. Take it, Aparna.
Thank you, Padma. I'll go out wearing this mask. Without mask, I can't imagine the situation outside. Nowadays, without a mask, anyone can't go outside. Thank you, Padma, for giving me a new mask. What you will say, Shweta?
What is nice and safe, Aparna? What we are using is a temporary mask, which is not 100% safe. So I suggest to use N95 mask, which is 100% safe and secure. What do you say, Shweta?
Sweta, you are talking about the NF95. It is more expensive, which can be afforded by the rich people only. So, what about the common people and the poor people? So, as usually the common people can go with the surgical mask, and which it is less expensive. Then think what about the poor people is. So, I have an idea for this. Even I will also use the same thing when I go out. So, what is that means? So with the help of this napkin, I will cover my mouth and nose when I go out. So for this, you no need to spend any money. So this will be helpful for the poor people and even for the common and the rich people also, if they like this, who don't want to spend money for this also. So be careful and be safe.
Hey friends, why we are discussing this much about the mask? Now Madhuri will explain you how to wear the mask. Just watch it. This is the main solution for us. Just watch it. Madhuri, please carry on.
Hi friends, even I have to go out right now. I will show you how do I wear the mask without anything. Just I'm using my chunni. Just a second. First, take the chunni, make it half like this, and don't forget your earphones. First, keep your earphones. Avoid us to touch the ears frequently. Okay. Now, tie knot. After this, take the first layer of your dupatta, then make it back onto your eyes. Now, finish. This is the way how I wear the mask, which protects everything safely. So, I am ready now. Now I request our Tulsi ma'am to give her valuable message how to fight against this COVID-19.
Hello students, how are you all? I know that must be you all are doing very great. And be at home, don't go out. If you are going out also, wear mask, drink lot of water, eat fruits, vegetables, and enjoy with your parents a lot at home. Learn some good activity like drawing and dancing, and learn some new art if possible. Be happy at home. So, missing you all. Bye bye.